Hi, welcome back to my vlog. In this video, I would like to share why you aren't able to speak English or why you're not good at speaking English. So let's dive in. First, I will break it down. The reason why you can't speak English. Perhaps you learn English, but you don't speak English. You don't use English in your day-to-day life. You feel shy to speak English. You are fears of making mistake. When you speak English, you are afraid that other people will criticize you or judge you. Right? And then you think you are not good enough or you lack of confidence. If these are the reason why you can't speak English, don't worry. There are many ways to fix it, right? Now, you already know the problem, why you can't speak English, but knowing is just not enough. You have to fix that problem. So I will tell you how to fix that problem. But this is only for those who really want to improve their speaking skill or who want to be able to speak English. First, I want to say that learning languages is like you learn other skill sets. After learning it, you have to use it. Okay? If you don't use it, definitely you will lose it. Right? If you want to be able to speak English or if you want to be good at speaking English, one thing I want to say is just speak English. Okay? What is that? Just speak English. Try to use English in your day-to-day life. Try to communicate with each other in English. Find a group or a community to practice English. Look for the opportunity to use English or speak English. Okay? Talk to your friend in English, even though they speak or talk to you in your mother tongue. Try to reply to them in English. No friend to practice with? It's still fine. If you are craving means hungry of speaking English, you will find a way. So speak to yourself. Speak to the camera like me now. Speak to the camera. Record yourself. First, if you feel shy to speak in public, practice in your room. Plus, when you do the reading, read it out loud as well. Why do I ask you to do these? If you don't use English or speak English, you won't be able to speak English or master English speaking. Think how many years you have already learned English. 1 year, 5 years, or 10 years, right? But till now, you can't speak English. So what's wrong? It means the method, the strategy that you are using now is not going to lead you to be able to speak English. in order to get the new results or outcome, you have to throw out the old method that doesn't lead you to be able to speak English. Don't just learn English language as a subject. First, learn English and then love it. Love English. Finally, speak it. This is the way that we learn the language. Okay? Let's rough up the video here. I know you want to be able to speak English fluently. If so, just speak English and use English. Put English speaking as a part of your daily routine. Remember, if you don't use it or speak it, you will lose it. Depend on you to lose it or to use it. That's your choice. Actually, we chose to do, we chose to be, we chose to speak. Okay? You know what to do. Just start speaking English right now. And your future self will thank you and feel proud of you. Okay, bye-bye. I hope you learned something from this video.